Up in the northwest corner of the state, there's a special town with so much to offer. Anacortes sits right on the water, and with farmland so close, it's the ideal spot for a great food scene.
We can have fresh fruits, vegetables, and seafood, like right at the door.
Jessica Kaiser is the president and CEO of the Anacortes Chamber of Commerce. Whether it's the heat of the summer or the windy days of winter, it seems there's always something fun to do in Anacortes.
In the summer, it's always popping because it's beautiful and there's lots of things to do on the water. But we also have this huge arts festival in August. During the off season, we've got beer festivals, wine festivals. There's stuff going on all the time.
I love that.
Yeah.
Now Tomas and I are headed out to explore the town, and locals say the best way to do that is on an e-bike.
What is an e-bike exactly?
It's an electric powered bike that has a pedal assist. They make the hills disappear in front of your face. The motor's in here.
All right.
So it's underneath you. It gives you a lot of assistance.
Fantastic. No bell?
There's a bell right here. There you go.
I think I'll pick up a couple of two, and Christy and I are going to go have some fun.
You ready to go?
Are you ready to go?
I am.
I'm excited, man.
Don't leave me in the dust.
Oh, please. It's been a long time since I've been on a bike, much less an e-bike. Here we go. Whoop. Nope, don't get that on tape.
I don't know if I've ever ridden a bike in jeans before.
Our first stop was the downtown core to see what trouble we could stir up.
I love like historic towns.
Well, it's just so cute.
Yeah.
Like they
it's
take
really
some
cute.
effort to really make the street appeal.
I know.
So fun.
Tomas, I think you need a new shirt.
You think? Well, yeah, because I've had these ones forever.
I'm thinking.
Something like this. Just something really loud. Oh, you palm trees.
There we go.
That's the one we're
See?
thinking?
Washington grown palm trees. That's like a dress on you, hun.
Hey, check it out.
Oh, we are in Anacortes. I'll do the poetry, you can play the... It's a lovely cloudy day. No storms in sight, though.
Just C chords.
Next, we stopped at the beach to see an iconic landmark.
The Lady of the Sea, dedicated to those who work and play in the sea and the family and friends who wait for them.
I mean, a lot of people make their livelihood right here from this marina, and someone's taking off with your yacht.
I know. I told them to wait. Gracia.
He's gonna crash.
What do you think?
That was great, wasn't it?
This is pretty neat.
I know.
I had no idea they gave that much assistance, like a couple pedals and it wants to take you.
Yeah. It's awesome. Awesome way to tour.
It was. I wish we didn't have to end it.
I know.
Well,
Gotta take these back now.
We'll just have to go find another city to tear through.
There we go.
All right, let's do it.